Okay, question 18 now. You're given that s equals 4 plus 8 over k, 8k over 7, my apologies, plus 16k squared over 49, plus so on and so on, and then they gave you the general term of this series. Yeah. Okay, so what series is this? Well, it's a geometric one, right? Because you have 4 as your first term, and then you have the 2k over 7 as the common ratio. Yeah, they gave you the general term here. This is a r to the n, right? So, well, n minus 1, I suppose, but n and n minus 1 are the same thing, and sum to infinity anyway. So we have the a's and we have the r's, right? So what does the question want? The value of k is chosen as an integer in the range -5 to 5, inclusive. Lovely. All possible values of k are equally likely to be chosen. What is the probability that the value of s is a finite number greater than 3? Okay, so we do what we're told, right? So we're saying that, okay, the sum needs to be greater than 3. So off I go. So a over 1 minus r, right? 1 minus r is 2k over 7. This is greater than 3. Yeah, so we're going to solve this inequality. So what I'm doing, so this is 4 is greater than 3 times 1 minus 2k over 7. All right. Okay, there's a restriction, by the way, which I forgot in the last version of this video. That's why it was flagged. Is that it's a finite number. Right? S is going to be finite. Yeah? So by finite, this means that the absolute value of r is less than 1. Right? So that means that the absolute value of 2k over 7 is less than 1. Right? So basically, we can only consider -3 to 3. Right? Because otherwise, the absolute value of r will be greater than 1, so that it doesn't converge to a finite number. Right? So don't be careless like myself. Okay, so now I'm only considering this. So when I multiply the denominator of the inequality to the right-hand side, I don't need to swap signs now. Right? I don't need to swap signs now because I know that the 1 minus 2k over 7 must be a positive quantity. Yeah. Okay, so therefore, I'm going to solve the rest. So 4 over 3 greater than 1 minus 2k over 7. Okay, so therefore 2k over 7 is greater than, negative 1/3, is it? Okay, so therefore k is greater than -7 over 6. Good. So, so I have this condition, and I have the finite condition as well. Right? So therefore, what can I pick? I can pick -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. Okay, so I can only pick 5 numbers. Okay, so how many numbers did I start with? I started with -5 to 5. So if you make a gentle count, there's 11 options. Right? So you have 11 options within which 5 of them are desired. So therefore, answer would be 5 over 11. Would be E.